How to create a GitHub account. Now in order to create an account for GitHub, just simply open any of your browser or open the application of GitHub. Then after searching for GitHub, just simply open this first link of github.com in your browser. And after opening that, you will get to see this button of sign up for GitHub from this homepage. Tap to sign up for GitHub, then this link will be opened up. Now from here, you can either choose to continue with Google, continue with Apple, and continue with email address. You can just simply pick up any of the suitable option for you in order to create the account in GitHub. I'm continuing with Google for now. Tap into any of the suitable option for you. And then you need to select your desired account in order to create the account in GitHub. Same if you have continued with your Apple account or email address, just simply provide the required account in there. Then after tapping in there, you can select username and then your country and region. Then you can select the email preference if you want, otherwise leave that. Then tap to create account and then it will verify your browser. Then after that, your GitHub account will be created. So this is how you can very easily create an account in GitHub. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.